Hey berries! Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever looked in mirror and thought, why does my hair look so dull? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today I am going to show you how to get shiny, healthy hair without spending in dollars. Let's get started. Tip 1. Start with a healthy scalp. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. You can't grow shiny hair if your roots are unhappy. Massage your scalp when shampooing, just 2 minutes. Use a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo, especially if you have sensitive skin or curly hair. Tip number 2. Don't overwash. Washing your hair every day, big no-no. It actually strips your hair of natural oils that make it shiny. Aim for 2 to 3 times a week. If your hair gets oily, try dry shampoo in between. Tip number 3. Condition smart. Never skip conditioner, ever. It adds moisture and makes your hair smooth. Focus on the ends, not the scalp, so your hair doesn't get greasy. Tip number 4. Eat hair-friendly foods. What you eat totally affects your hair. Protein is for hair strength. Healthy fat is for shiny hair. Vitamins is for growth of your hair. Snacks on nuts, eggs, avocados, and drink lots of water. Tip number 5. Limit heat and chemicals. Flat irons and curling wands. Fun but damaging. Try to air dry your hair when you can. If you have to use heat, always use a heat protectant spray. Tip number 6. Brush the right way. Use a wide tooth comb on wet hair to avoid breakage. And clean your hairbrush. It collects oil and dirt. Tip number 7. Hair oils and natural shine. Want that extra shine? Use a few drops of hair oil. Argan oil, coconut oil, or even aloe vera gel works wonders. Just rub a bit between your palms and smooth it over the ends. Tip number 8. Sleep on silk. Sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase. It reduces frizz and breakage while you sleep. So there you go, easy, everyday tips to get shiny, healthy hair that actually work. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments section. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more teen beauty tips.